What's new in TurboCAD 2023? View exploded. Open Modify menu and select Exploded View. Select Entity and finish selection. Specify an initial position of the exploded view. Finish exploded view, insert name for block and create block. Click Edit Content Form Block Palette and click Save. Drag and insert block to drawing. Go to Properties Form Local menu. Click on Block Insertion and input rotation parameters 30 for X-axis and 30 for Y-axis. And click OK. Click Cancel Form Local menu. Thanks for watching.